Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be opening up my Noobie box. I just got this in the mail yesterday. I will also be opening up this box by Aqua by NATY, which is just a sample pack of their diapers. And I got this in the mail, this Baby Box University. I will go ahead and open these and we can see what we got in these samples. So for the Noobie box, the box is free. However, you do have to pay $4.95 for shipping. I will leave the website down below in case if you're interested. And upon opening the box, let's see what we have. All right, so I do see this Purell multi-surface spray. I've seen this in multiple videos already. And this is perfect to keep in your diaper bag. We also have some panty liners. We're gonna need tons of these after giving birth. We have a Noobie guide, which has coupons and tips for moms, so that's exciting. There's a coupon here for water wipes. I know these are really popular, and you also get a lot of samples in your registry bags of wipes like this, so that's exciting. We have some natural saline solutions by D-Kids, and this is for babies 0 to 12 months, and it brings 2 vials. I hope it's focusing. Let's see. Yep, there we go. We also have some Upspring Milk Flow, and this is a breastfeeding supplement. That's interesting. If anyone has tried this before and it has worked in increasing your milk supply, please let me know down below. I would love to try something like this. I know that your milk does take a little while to get produce after you give birth, so I would love to try something like this if it is effective, so please let me know. Then we have this tiny sample of Aqua 4 healing cream. Again, perfect to keep little things like this in your diaper bag. We have the very popular MAM bottle. You always get a sample of these in your boxes, and I'm actually not going to open this. I'm going to put this away, and I will be doing a future giveaway with all the things that I received and I'm not using, so I will go ahead and put this away for a giveaway. Then we have this Cuties Complete Care. Okay, I've never tried this brand before, but this is a size 1 diapers, and you get 5 of them in here. So that's interesting. I probably won't be using this. I have so many diapers already stockpiled for size 1, so I'm going to go ahead and put this aside with the bottle to give away. My sister sent me a care package, and she bought me like 4 packs of diapers size 1, so I think I'm good for a while. These, awesome. Cannot wait to try these. I've been like keeping all of them aside that I've received so far. So this is the water wipes, and this is the 10 count, and it brings a coupon so you can get some more. That's what that looks like. And lastly, the oh so popular breast pads. We get these in all of the registries we do. So again, I'll probably put this away because I did haul a big box of 100. So if I can donate this to someone or give it away, I definitely will. All right, so that is everything in the Noobie box. Again, it was a free box, but it was, I believe, $4.95 for the shipping. And I think the box is great. I mean, I'm going to keep a lot of these things. I'm just going to give away like 2 or 3 items. So that is a good deal to me. I think it's worth it, $4.95. The next thing was this Aqua by NATY. Now, the diaper samples were free again, but the shipping was $3.77, which is an odd number for shipping. But it does say that you get 10 Aqua diapers. So let's just go ahead. And I've never tried this before, but they're supposed to be a very organic certified company. So you get this little book here. Well, you get like a little crown for the baby. That's cute. Then you get Eco News. Okay, Okay, so just it's about the company and what products they offer. So that's what that looks like. And then these are the diapers. I believe I got a size 3. Yeah, so I got a size 3 sample because like I mentioned earlier, I do have tons of diapers ready for baby. So these are size 3, Eco by NATY Happiness. And you get 10 diapers and they have this really cute print. And I guess a sample pack for $3.77 is a good deal to me. I mean, I've never tried them before. So that's a good one. I'll leave all the info in the description box below. And then lastly, I have the Baby Box University. Now, I was a little confused when I received this because according to the website, you take a quiz. It's for safe sleeping. They educate you on some sleeping habits for your baby, especially when they're first born, to prevent SIDS. And the whole I guess program of the company that they're running is that they provide you with a box and a mattress so that people who can't afford sleeping accommodations for the baby can have a safe place to put the baby to sleep. So I didn't receive the box, which is totally fine. I don't need the box, but I did receive this. And everything was completely free. There was no shipping fee. It wasn't anything difficult to do. You just take a quick quiz. I believe it was like 15 questions or so. And then they send you this little care package. So the first thing in the bag, and this is like a wet bag, so you can put like swimsuits or something in there. So this is reusable. That's good. We have this mucus and cold relief for daytime and nighttime. So I've never used these before. Interested to see how they work. Again, if you have tried any of these items, let me know. I feel like I'm a first-time mom again because I've been out the game for a really long time. Our oldest is 7. I mentioned that before. Our youngest is 7 and our oldest is 11. So that's a huge gap already. Again, sample of the breast pads. I will be putting this in a future giveaway because I have a lot already. This is so soft. Let's see. The onesie is brandless. It doesn't have any labels on them, but it's really, really soft, really nice quality. I wonder what size it is. It doesn't have a tag and it doesn't have labels, so I don't know what size it is, but it's really, really soft, and I do like the color. It's a very neutral color. We still don't know what we're having, unfortunately. I feel like it's a mission trying to find out. And then we have all of these little brochures and coupons. There's a little lanolin sampler here with a coupon. Another coupon for the mucus relief. More coupons and more coupons and more coupons. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. If you decided that you want to order one of these boxes, I will leave some resources down below. And again, if you've tried any of these samples that I mentioned earlier and you want to let me know what you think and what your experience was, I would love that. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.